It's the first business day after Remembrance Day, which means that the thrift store is fully stocked with their Christmas things. You guys know I go to the thrift store all the time. I've shopped Christmas stuff, but I've never been at the opening for the Christmas stuff. And you might be rolling your eyes thinking whatever, but apparently it's a big deal. I don't know how much filming I'm gonna get in there. There might even be a lineup. I am on the hunt for villages because I want to paint them to be a certain something. Come with me, let's go shopping. Really? You guys, that was intense. Like there was a huge lineup. There's still a lineup for people to get in. They ran out of baskets, so I used a cardboard box. Anyways, I got the whole box, $29. As soon as I get home, I'll show you. Like just on a high here, you guys. I can't believe how exciting this is. And there's fresh snow outside. It's just so beautiful. It was the perfect day to kick off like the Christmas season. First up, I got these bells, or maybe it was like a mistletoe thing. Oh, I think it's a mistletoe. Anyways, they're wicker, and there's a whole pile of them here. $6 I paid. I think I'm gonna clean them all up, separate them all, reorganize, regroup them, maybe give them some fresh oil and try selling them. I absolutely love them, and you know what? I'd love to keep them in the house, but we're renovating. We just don't have the space. It's not the time for us. So I'm gonna make them beautiful for somebody else to enjoy, and I can't wait. Some more little baskets for my basket collections. I just couldn't walk past this wicker candy cane basket. What am I gonna do with it? Okay, let me know in the comments because I legit have no idea what I'm gonna do with this one. Had to grab it. I got this set of nutcrackers. It was $6. I think I'm going to paint them some fun neutral theme or maybe pink. I'm not sure how I'm going to paint them, but I'm going to paint them and resell them. $1 for this really cute tin. There was so many tins there. I just love having Christmas tins around to be able to put cookies in them and gift to our friends and family and neighbors. Not Christmas related, but I got these salad tossers. They're in really good condition, but you can tell they need some fresh oil. And I do have food grade oil that I use for cutting boards. So I'm gonna oil them, make them really nice again, and sell them for somebody else to enjoy. We already have a set like this and absolutely love them. So today I was on the hunt for villages because I want to paint them to be a certain sort of theme. So I got this one for $2.50, ceramic. This one for $3.50, again, ceramic. I think this is the best find of the day. Super modern village that you would find in the stores today. I saw them at Winners and Homesteads a couple weeks ago. I wanted to buy them, but I didn't. And this is why. The universe just knew that there was gonna be one waiting for me at the thrift store. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And it has a light. Looks like the light, oh, it's new, you guys. It had the battery tag in it. The light still works in there. Okay, this is gonna be one that I'm gonna repaint because it is scratched up and stuff, but I'm gonna repaint it. It is going to be so beautiful. I can't wait. Don't mind the big renovation mess in the background. I know what's up with our renovations. Just follow me on Instagram at SoBrightCreations and you'll get all the details. This is the second part of my YouTube videos where I share any items that I have flipped. This summer, I bought a chair at a garage sale just outside of town, and I had full intentions of reupholstering it. I've always wanted to learn reupholstery, and I thought this would be such a good project. But then as Christmas was approaching and the time of year and the season, I decided that the color actually kind of goes good for right now, and that's a classic. Instead of reupholstering it, I decided to give it a steam clean and put some fresh oil on the wood part and just tidy up any loose ends. Here's the chair. It's actually in really good condition, but as you can see, it definitely needs a good, thorough cleaning. I just sold it. I paid $50 for the chair and I sold it for $85, and I put about a half an hour of work into it. So 35 bucks for half an hour, pretty good. I forgot to show you guys this pottery things. This one I think was from the Reuse It shed. This was $5 at the thrift store, but I really loved it. This one, I got these matches from an Etsy shop. They were a little bit expensive, but you'll see why I wanted to get them. They just came in the mail. I'm looking at them for the first time now. Oh, wow. They even come with striker strips, and then they can fit like right into one of these things here. And is that not the cutest little match container for little sets to be able to sell them, just because I thought it would be such a cool idea. I'm not sure what the price is going to work out to be, because I really need to cover my costs here. And yeah, these matches were kind of expensive, but anyways, we'll see. And I'm going to post them on the buy and sell. I'll let you know if anything sells, so check back next week. Okay, I clearly don't have enough. This is 75 matches in here, 75 in here, and then I don't have enough to fill these, but I thought I could put the red ones in, but they are way too short for these things. These pottery things are quite big. I might save them for a plant. I don't recommend doing this. It worked out that 75 matches cost $25, and I don't think I can sell it for that, so I'm gonna be in the hole on this one. Just as I was gonna finish this video up, it came to me. The candy cane basket was meant for the basket wall. And keep following along to see how I make these items beautiful again. And don't mind all the noise in the background. Kid's having a bath, but with his dad. All safe, don't worry.